How to listen to Spotify while playing Roblox. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to your application Spotify. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, head over to the song or search for the specific song that you want to play. Let's say this is the song I want to listen while playing Roblox. Once you have played the song, now go back and head over to your application Roblox. Enter your login credentials and then sign into your specific account. Once you have been signed in, now head over to the game that you want to play. Let's say I want to play this game. Tap on this play icon. Wait for a while for it to load. Now tap on play. Click on OK. Now once the game starts, the music might pause. In order to play, simply slide down the screen and then click on this play button. Now go back to your game. Well, the music will start to play in the background. Likewise, you can play any of the songs that you want to while playing the Roblox. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can listen to Spotify while playing Roblox. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.